Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Baseus W11 true wireless earbuds. These are coming in at only 30 bucks and they're giving you some pretty surprising features at a very affordable price. Really quick, if you want a chance to win a pair of these for completely free, go ahead and check out the giveaway instructions down in the description box. We're giving away 5 pairs. Now let's go ahead and check these out and see what all they're bringing to the table, starting off with the charging case. So you're getting a pretty basic case here. You got an oval shape with a matte finish all the way around. You do have some branding featured on the lid, and you have a single LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. On the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port, as well as a pairing/reset button. Overall, the build quality on the case is solid, especially considering the price. Also, the case does support wireless charging, which you don't always see within this price range. Moving over to the earbuds, they are on the larger side, and they kind of remind me of the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds in terms of their design. You have that inner part that goes into your ear, and then you have the exterior part that just kind of sits on the outside of the ear. These do feature touch controls, so the exterior portion is the surface that you'll use to control your music. One thing I like about the ear tips in particular is that the silicone extends and covers the entire portion that goes into your ear, which does help in terms of getting a secure fit. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0 and they're using SBC as well as AAC as their audio codecs. They do support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud independently. And as far as battery life, you're not getting super huge per charge numbers, but you are getting fast charging technology. So only 10 minutes in the case is going to give you 4 hours of listening time, and then you're going to get a total of about 15 hours including the case. Along with wireless charging, the case is also MagSafe compatible. So if you have a magnetic charger, all you got to do is place the case down and it will automatically line itself up. You're also getting a low latency mode, which is going to keep any sort of lag to a minimum for those times that you're gaming or watching videos. And then as far as water resistance, these are coming with an IPX8 rating, which makes them fully waterproof, so you can submerge them in water for short periods of time. So as far as the fit, once you get the earbuds properly seated, they do stay in place really well. Now, if you're doing some really extreme movements, they might work themselves loose over time, and in that case, you'll have to readjust them from time to time. But for the most part, you are getting a very snug and secure fit. And since the inner part of the earbud that goes into your ear is completely covered with silicone, it does help in terms of comfort as well. Now, when it comes to sound quality, these are giving you a very well balanced sound. The bass gives you a nice satisfying punch without being too aggressive. The mids and highs also come through nicely, and the best way to describe the sound signature is definitely balanced. All of the frequencies are represented throughout the mix, and none of them really outshine the other. The only thing I would say is that maybe one more notch of volume would have been perfect, but with that said, these are giving you a very enjoyable sound with zero distortion. And considering the price, you're definitely getting more than your money's worth in terms of sound quality. You're also getting app support, which provides you with some helpful information and features, so you're able to see your battery life of the left and right earbud. You can also locate your earbuds by playing a high-pitched sound, so if you misplace them around the house, you can go into the app and just activate that, and that's going to help you find them. If you go into gesture settings, you can customize the touch controls, so the default is a double tap to play and pause and a long press for your track controls, so you can swap out one of those for your voice assistant, but there's no option to add volume controls. The app can also use your phone's GPS to show you where you were last using the earbuds, so this is just another feature to help you locate the earbuds if you happen to misplace them. It would have been nice to see some EQ options within the app, but at this price, it's definitely not a deal breaker. So for phone calls, these feature noise canceling technology, which is designed to focus on your voice and drown out background noise to give you the best possible call quality. And the microphones actually performed a lot better than I expected. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so now we got some crowd noise being played on the speaker. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take phone calls in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, for only 30 bucks, these are an easy recommendation. They're giving you a lot of specs and features that you don't typically see within this price range, like wireless charging and app support. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the links down in the description. And if you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.